guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing things a little bit differently. I'm going to be doing hair on my friend Kara and I'm going to be bringing you along. So we're transitioning her from a summer blonde into a more sandy kind of fall blonde. We're gonna be adding a smudge root to help the growth be a little bit softer and a little bit more low maintenance. And just giving her overall tone a much more sandy kind of muted look. So I'd like to quickly mention that this video is sponsored by Skillshare. I'm super excited to be collaborating with them as I've been using the program for over a year, where I was looking to build my beauty masterclass and I didn't know where to start. I knew I had a good idea, but I couldn't organize it. So in my own personal research, I found a course on Skillshare that just helped me literally just brainstorm and organize my ideas. I did pay for it myself, and their course diversity is super helpful because there's literally everything that you could possibly be looking for. And from the brainstorming and organizing techniques, I was finally able to build a structure to really create a good curriculum. And this was something I'd never ever done. So here we are over a year later, and my course is complete and ready to launch this fall. So a course I'm currently taking now is by Thomas Frank and is Productivity for Creatives, which is so helpful because for anyone in my audience, if you are creative, we have all these ideas, but it's much more difficult to really bring them to action and to really live at your full potential. For the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click that link in the description, we'll get 1 month of free trial with Skillshare. So you can start exploring your creativity today. All right, now let's get into some hair. So yeah, as usual, I'm gonna be showing you everything I'm using, from formulations to techniques, and yeah, let's get started. All right, so we've got my friend Kara here, and we're gonna be starting with a root smudge. All right, so for her root tap, I'm gonna be using a mixture of 7N and 7G Shades EQ. And of course, I'll be leaving all the formulations and measurements in the description box. If you have any questions, go ahead and check that out. So I'm going to start with the root tap formulation and apply from the roots and create that teardrop effect, which means as you get towards the back of the head, you bring it down a little bit lower to give that like natural kind of lighten from the sun kind of effect. So once I've applied the root tap, I let that process for an additional 10 to 15 minutes, and then I go in with the all over toner. I'm gonna be using a mix of 09M. I love the M series, it's nice and matte, and it just gives that like beautiful sandy color without it ever looking flat. And then I add just a splash of the 7G just to add a little bit of warmth to that formula. So then for the toner formula, I'll just start applying that first, almost as a low light, like picking up areas where I want to see a little bit more darkness and depth. Once that's processed for about 5 minutes, then I take the remainder of the mixture and then I apply all the way to the ends, just leaving out about 1 inch at the very bottom. And the ends are always typically lighter anyway, so you never want to tone down the ends too much. Also, this is an area that can be a lot more porous, so it can suck up toner way faster than the rest of the hair. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this type of salon video where I show you super simple techniques and my favorite formulas for toning. So if you haven't yet, please go ahead and click subscribe for more of my toning formulas and secrets. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye guys.